Good morning, dear kids. We are continuing with the same chapter, that is chapter number 7, 7.1, question number 7, which says find the points find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 minus 2 9 are the 2 points, and in between there is a point. Can we name this as this A and this B, and this point P is given as to be on x-axis. If it is on x-axis, my dear kids, उसका x coordinate होगा, y 0 होगा. अगर ये y एक्सिस पे होती तो इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट होता और x 0 होता, तो it would have been 0, y, but it is on x axis, so its coordinates are x, 0. Is that clear? Now we have to find, this is equidistant, means AP is equal to PB. So can I write AP is equal to PB? Is that clear? And we know very well the distance of AP formula and distance of PB, that is under root x1 minus x2 the whole square minus plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Clear? Okay, let's start how we can do this. Now AP, if this is your x1 y1, this is your x2 y2, let's start. It will go something like this: x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 5 the whole square under root. क्लियर इज इक्वल टू, अगर आप साथ में लेकर आ रहे हैं डिस्टेंस ऑफ पी बी को भी, तो इट विल बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल कि आपके साथ में इक्वेशन सॉल्व होंगे. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो x1 माइनस x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Getting my point clear? In this case, this is x2, this is y2, and this is x1, this is y1 as usual. So you can go for x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 9 the whole square under root, and is equal to sign in between. Are you getting my point? Very clear? Okay, let's solve this further. So it will be x minus 2 the whole square plus 5 square. Okay, my dear kids, and here it will be x plus 2 the whole square plus 9 square under root. Are you getting my point? आप अगर इसको कर देंगे स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड, तो दोनों का स्क्वायर रूट आपका निकल जाएगा. सो यू कैन राइट बाय स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. So once you got that, you will get the equation something like this: x minus 2 the whole square plus 25 is equal to x plus 2 the whole square plus 36. My dear kids, you have to open up this. And how do you open up this? X square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25 is equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 36. When you solve this equation, my dear kids, you will get something like this. And the value of x will be minus 7. Isn't it easy? Yes. Shall we jump on to our next problem? That is your problem number 8, which says find the value of y for which distance between P. So P is given to you 2, minus 3, and Q is given to you 10, y, and the distance between them is given to you as 10 units. Yes or no? Yes. The formula will be same, that is distance of PQ is equal to x1 minus y1, x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Yes, my dear kids. Now this time 10 units this thing is given to you. Okay. Then take this as x1, y1, x2, y2, and your problem starts. Can we substitute all the values? And it will be something like this. When you got this, if you go for squaring both sides, so it will be 10 square and iska root hat jayega. And you have to now open the bracket. It will be minus 8 square plus minus 3 minus y the whole square. When you open this, my dear kids, you will get 64 plus, can we take this as, if I take it as minus outside, okay, minus 3. If I take the minus 3 square, it will be 9, and here y square, and in between term 2 into 3 into y, that is 6y. Yes, my dear kids. From here you will get, so can I take this as, this is y plus 3 the whole square plus 64 is equal to 100. Yes, my dear kids, is that correct? Yes. So y plus 3 the whole square is equal to 36. Yes. And y plus 3 will be plus minus root of 36. That is, y plus 3 will be plus minus 6. So here I'll take it and it will be, if I take y plus 3 is equal to plus 6, my answer will be y is equal to 3. And if I take y plus 3 is equal to minus 6, my answer will be minus 9. Is that clear? So you are getting two values of y as 3 and 9. Perfect. Okay. We'll jump on to our next problem. Okay, question number 10 we have. Find the relation between x and y such that xy is equidistant from 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Okay, there's a point 3, 6 and there's a point minus 3, 4, and we have to find the relation between xy, which is equidistant. Now xy are the coordinates. Suppose if I give this point P, this is A, this is B, and it is said that this point P is equidistant from here and here. So that means I'll get AP is equal to PB. Yes? Okay, shall we apply the formula? Similar problem, we can just go with the formula. I'll apply the formula here is equal to, yes, every time you have to write the formula and above you have to write by distance formula. Got my point clear? Yes. Now once you put the formula, my dear kids, and it will go something like this. If this is your x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Once you will put these values, so here it will be x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. Here on this side, my dear kids, this will be x1, y1 and this will be x2, y2. In that case, it will go x minus minus 3 the whole square plus y plus y minus 4 the whole square. Will that work? Okay. So my dear kids, when I open this bracket, naturally by squaring both sides, the square root will vanish and you will get something like this. Once you got this, my dear kids, you have to open up by using the identity, so that you will get something like this. If I open up x minus 3 the whole square, I'll get x square plus 9 minus 6x. And if I open up y minus 6 the whole square, I'll get y square plus 36 minus 12y. And on the right hand side is equal to, I'll get x square plus 9 plus 6x. And if I open up y minus 4 the whole square, it will be y square plus 16 minus 8y. You have to put up all the same like terms together, that is y square, x square के जो भी terms हैं साथ में लेने हैं, नंबर को साथ में लेना है, y को साथ में लेना है, and finally my dear kids, you will get the answer something like this. You will get 3x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, that means you got a relation between x, y. This is what they have asked. They have asked the relation between x, y, and this is your relation. You can limit your answer till here. Alright. Next, I'll be taking your question number 9 is here. Okay. Let's see what question number 9 says. Question number 9 says that Q, that is 0, 1 is equidistant from P. So if I put P here, 5 minus 3, and Q is equidistant from P. Q is equidistant from P and R. So R I'll put it here, and this is PQ and QR. Let me check what coordinates have been given. Correct. As per the question, find the value of x and also find the distance of QR and PR. Okay, Q is equidistance, that means PQ is equal to QR. That will be your equation. You have to put in the formula and find the value of x. That will be easy, my dear kids. Once you got the value of x, you have to put it here, and now you have to find the original distance of PQ and original distance of QR after getting X. Can you do that on your own? Yes, you can. Okay, next is your question number 1. Okay, that's your question number 1 of exercise 7.2. Let's see what it says. It says find the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining point A, that is minus 1 7, and this is 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2:3, and you have to find the coordinates of the point in between. It is not exactly in between. It is given that this point P divides the line in some ratio, and the ratio is 2:3. That is, my dear kids, it is called as section forming. When a point divides the line in two equal halves, that is midpoint. But here they have given that it divides the line in some ratio. So that is called as, we will learn about section formula. Yes, my dear kids, let's see what section formula gives us. Now, if a line divides in certain section, if a point divides a line in some section or in some ratio, then we will go for section formula. In that case, this ratio is m1 is to m2, and here the coordinates of A will be called as x1, y1, and coordinates of B B will be called as x2, y2. In that, if you want to find the coordinates of P, I'll keep the coordinates of P to be x and y. How to find the x coordinate of P? Yes, my dear kids. So if you want to find x coordinate of P, then the formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Yes, my dear kids, you have the value of m1. You have been given the problem the value of x2. You have been given m2. You have in the problem you have been given the value of x1. So all the values are available. You have to just put in the values to find the x coordinate of P. Similarly, you have to find the y coordinate, that is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Clear? Shall we try this formula now? Okay, let's start. So if you want to find x, we are finding the coordinates of P. I hope you remember that we are finding the coordinates of P. X coordinate find करने के लिए we'll just put in the formula, this one. For x, let's start. m1 is given as 2. Your x1 is given as, okay, m1 into x2, I'm so sorry. This is given as 4. This is minus 3. This is minus 1 and 7. So it goes something like this. Am I correct? So once you solve this, you will get the value of x as 1. Similarly, if you want to find y, that is the y coordinate of point P, we have to go for this formula. And it goes something like this. So for y, I'll do 2 into minus 3. Just keep on checking if I'm correct. And my answer is coming 3. So I got the x coordinate of point P. जो point P है बीच में, वो बीच में नहीं है, वो उस line को section में divide कर रही है. It is not the midpoint. So section में divide कर रही है, उसके coordinates हैं 1,3. Isn't it easy? Okay. Hope you can do these problems of video. If you find any doubt, you can message me. God bless.